In this video, I'm going to share a few of the tricks and hacks and rules interior designers use for home styling. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interiors. If you're looking to redecorate your home and are looking to find out how to do it right, keep watching. Some basic rules for colors. Color in a home's design can either be really good or really bad. So, how do you use the color while styling your home? Firstly, you could go for an all monochromatic look. For example, you picked a color like blue. Now, all the space will be blue. The walls, the furniture, the decor pieces, just different kinds of blues. Remember, it's blue, but in different shades, which then adds to the layers of monochromatic color choices. It's a really bold way to style your home and is recommended for somebody who would absolutely love that color. The style we at ANSA pick up most of the time is where we pick neutral walls and then add pop-up colors either in furniture or just in accent decor pieces. You can either bring in multiple colors here or just use different shades of the same color to achieve this look. While working with colors, remember to balance the color in the space. There shouldn't be too much color on one end or too less on the other end. It has to be a very balanced approach. Second of all, achieve a cohesive look. Have you ever been into a space that just didn't feel right? You see the beautiful furniture pieces, the great artwork, and even the color and lighting is in place. But there is something about it that makes you feel restless. You just want to leave 99 out of 100 times. It's just the lack of cohesiveness that made you feel like that. A cohesive look in space is extremely important. But how do you style your home to achieve that cohesiveness? First, approach with the entire space in mind while designing and styling it. Many people start with decorating a corner and then move on from there. A huge mistake. You have to keep a bigger picture in mind at all times and then plan by styling. More ways to create a cohesive looking home could be working with the same color palette and ensuring there is a consistent flow of all elements of the design. Thirdly, be very careful with patterns. Going wrong with the pattern will make your home look really messy. Keep in mind the scale as well as the type of pattern while styling. When it comes to scaling, make sure there is one main pattern that's the focus. Rest should be much smaller and should never compete with the main one. For example, if you place a large rug in your room with a really visible and bold pattern, ensure all other patterns on things like pillows are very small and they do not compete at all. Fourthly, bring balance and symmetry to your design. Home styling is done right when you carefully bring balance and symmetry to design. You just have to treat the space as a whole. Every single direction and piece of furniture can and should be balanced. As I mentioned with cohesiveness, without balance, the design just doesn't look nice. Fifth, the rule of three for grouping. When thinking of styling your home, always think in groups of three. Items should be combined and placed in groups of three: one of the larger scale, one of a medium, and one small. When you bring together just two, it somehow makes the things look very incomplete. Three just look right planned, and instead of things looking like they're accidentally just fell together over the time and they complement each other. This can really be implemented with pretty much every single thing around your home. So, a group of three pillows, vases, coffee table, shelf decor, it just works everywhere. And yes, these are my top 5 home decor styling tips. I hope they help you with your home styling. And if you're looking for professional architecture and interior design consultancy, contact us today at ansainteriors.com. Do tell me, which of these 5 tips are you going to work on first while styling your own home? Comment below now. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye.